Hi guys, in this video we will discuss about Google Map Data Extractor Chrome extension. By using this extension you can easily extract a particular category or location data from the Google Map. Okay, so first of all you need to download and install this tool. First of all you want to need the download this extension. I have also provided download link in video description, so open the video description and click the download link and download this extension. When you download this extension you get a zip file. After the zip file you can see a folder Google Map Data Extractor. So you need to upload or install this extension, this folder in Chrome browser. So I am opening the Chrome browser and click the three dots button. Okay, then mouse over extensions menu, then show sub menus of manage extension and visit Chrome store. So you select the manage extensions and you can see here the interface like this. After the click here you can see here developer mode. First of all check your browser developer mode enable or disable. By default this option also disabled, but you need to enable this toggle button. After the enable toggle button you see three buttons. You need to select first button that's called load unpacked. Okay, just click this button and select that folder, which folder you have extracted from the zip file. Okay, after upload the folder you can see here Gmap extractor section like this. Okay, if you want to use this extension so go to extensions button or check here Gmap extractor. If you want to pin this tool like this, so you can pin the extension. Okay, after pin the extension your extension show here. Click the extension icon. After extension icon click the, you can see the Chrome extension interface. Okay, first box is keyword and second box is location. Keyword, which category data you want to fetch from Google Map data, Google Map. Okay, so type here keyword like you want to find out the cloth shops. Okay, so I am typing cloth shops and enter the location. Suppose I want to fetch data of cloth shop from London. Okay, London, and start extracting. When you press the start extracting button, so automatically open a pop-up and your query will be show in search box and find out the all related data from the Google Map depending on your location and your keyword, behalf of your keyword and location. You can see here automatically data fetching and creating a table. So no, if you are using a trial version, so showing automatically a pop-up box for license key. If you using a trial version, so you can only fetch 50 records and you can't export the record in CSV or Excel file. So now I am stopping the extracting and close this pop-up. Okay, and you want to download this data like cloth name, location, name, and okay, and website, registered website and phone number. If you want to extract this data, so you need to download this. If you download press, so this program asking for license key, so you need to a license key for extract the data. If you want to need extension license key, so you can contact us.